Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Wisely Prepaid Debit Card to see how it holds in 2025. Prepaid cards have become a popular alternative to traditional banking, especially for those who want more control over their spending or don't qualify for regular credit cards. But is Wisely one of you should consider or better to pass on? Let's find out. Wisely stands out because it's designed with simplicity and accessibility in mind. You don't need a credit check and get a card, which makes it appealing if you're building or rebuilding your credit, or just want a straightforward way to manage your money. Their card is linked to a mobile app where you can easily track your balance, get real-time notification, and even deposit paychecks directly. One of the strong points for Wisely is the direct deposit feature, which can get your paycheck up to 2 days faster than traditional banks. That's a nice perk if you want to quicker access to your funds. Plus, there are no overdraft fees, so you won't get it as surprise charges if you accidentally spend more than you have. It's a safe way to stay on top of your budget. On the downside, Wisely doesn't charge some fees, like monthly maintenance fee and fee for certain types of transactions, including ATM withdrawals if you use out of network machines. The network of free ATM is somewhat limited compared to bigger banks or other prepaid cards. So, if you rely heavily on cash withdrawals, that's something to keep in mind. The card also supports contactless payments, which is pretty standard these days, and you can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted. That makes it convenient for everyday purchases. Customer service is generally responsive, though some users mention wait times during busy periods. Overall, Wisely is a solid option if you want a no credit check and card with a fast direct deposit and easy money management. But if your low fees and withdrawal ATM access are top priorities for you, it's worth comparing it with other prepaid cards or even traditional bank accounts. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.